Are you tired of wearing boring outfits every day? Do you sometimes wish to spice it up without altering the garment too much?
Well, have no fear because ALECQ is here. Just kidding, this idea has been written literally 1,000 times, but I'm going to do this anyway, so why not film it? Let's begin. Oh gosh, I need to clean my mirror.
First, take that shirt off.
Okay, bye!
We're going to fold it in half to locate the center, and we're going to mark where the fold is. Next is we're going to draw half a tunnel and we're going to cut it out. Be careful not to cut the front part though. Then we're going to fold it and cut where the fabric overlaps. It will eventually look like this, but don't worry about it being perfect because it doesn't really matter, plus it gives character to your outfit. Just pretend that this whole thing is pinned up. And we're actually not going to hem this, rather we're going to make channel for the strings to come through. After sewing, it will look like this, but don't worry about the creases where the curves are. Again, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to take these leggings that I don't really use anymore and take off 35 inches from that, about 1.5 inch thick. You might need more or less depending on your size. If you're not using crop top for this project, you can use the bottom part of the fabric that you will cut off. You're going to fold it in itself like so and do it in the other side as well. And finally, just fold this in the middle. I don't really know how to explain this, so you need to watch. But yeah, I just sewed through that and I did it to the whole 35 inches. After spending an absurd amount of time doing that, it's time to set this up. I'm just going to insert this through the channel that we made using a safety pin. And that's basically it. We're finished!
No, I don't have cable, but I'm willing and able to watch what's on your mind. I find I waste my time the best when I lose control of the remote staring.
Hello! My mom forgot to film an outro, so this is me, Piglet, doing this for her. She really likes how it turned out, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!